One of the tools we have available for testing a PC is the postcard. Stands for a power on self-test, and during the power on self-test the computer sends a data packet to a particular address every time it steps through a new test. This device here, the postcard, decodes the address and displays the data on a 2-digit hexadecimal display. To make use of it, we have to plug it into the slot. This one's a PCI slot device. So I'm going to plug it into this computer's PCI slot here. And then turn it on, and let's watch the display here. As it goes through the power on self-test, you should see this display changing. Notice the beep as the power on self-test passes, and the computer now goes to try to find an operating system, and the display here is indicating that it's looking for a boot device and ready to start loading Windows. Now let's simulate a fault. I'll switch off the computer and disconnect this memory module. And let's run through the test again. Watch the display this time. Now it's beeping at an error, but it's also held at a particular test number. And we can look up that test and find out what the test relates to. First of all though, we need to know the make of the BIOS. Here's the BIOS chip in this machine. Usually it'll have the manufacturer's name on it. I'll just switch off the computer just now. Like this one here, the BIOS chip has a copyright label on it telling us that it's made by the company called Phoenix. And we would look up on our error code table the chart relating to that BIOS and check out the error code and get the information about the device causing the fault. And hopefully that will help us in detecting the fault and correcting it.